welcome to an ESL lesson for beginners. In this lesson, we are going to look at using am, is, and are in questions. But first, we will have a look at making the sentences with these verbs and then looking at their placement. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. So as you can see, all the verbs am, is, and are placed after the pronouns. Let's read the sentences together. I am a student. He is a student. She is a student. It is a cat. We are students. You are a student. If we talk about one, you are students. If we talk about two or more students, they are students. Now let's look at making or asking questions. Am I? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? Am I a student? Is he a student? Is she a student? Is it a cat? Are we students? Are you a student? Are you students? Are they students? So now let's have a look at how we make sentences and how we make questions. So the sentence I am and the question am I. So you can see that am is positioned as the first word in the question, am I? He is he? She is she? It is it? We are we? You are you? They are they? You can copy these questions and you can copy the sentences in your books. Now let's look at every structure and make questions and answer them. Am I? Am I late? Yes, you are late. Am I cold? Yes, you are cold. Am I lazy? No, you are not lazy. Copy the sentences and the answers in your exercise books. Is he? Is he late? Yes, he is late. Is he cold? Yes, he is cold. Is he tired? No, he is not tired. Copy the sentences and the questions in your books. Is she? Is she okay? Yes, she is okay. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is my teacher. Is she a good student? No, she is not a good student. Okay, copy the questions and the answers in your books. Are we? Are they? Are we late? No, we are not late. Are they happy? Yes, they are happy. Are they your parents? Yes, they are my parents. Are you? Are you a teacher? No, I'm not. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Or yes, we are hungry if we are talking about more than two people. Are you at home? Yes, I am at home. Or yes, we are at home. And again, we are at home. We will use this answer when we're talking about two or more people. Copy the questions and the answers in your books. Well done, we've completed our lesson.